This bike that was in heavy duty, what's its history?
We basically built it here from scratch. We have our own frame jig and our own frame benders and the correct materials and the process to do so to build frames, and then we ICV, which is individually construct. And that then goes through the transport people and engineers, and then they're roadworthy and ADR compliant. Obviously people like to change things after they leave here, and that's totally up to the person that, you know, they may buy a motorcycle and they might have a quiet exhaust system on it or an air cleaner on it or a set of handlebars, but that's out of our control after it leaves here, and that comes down to the personal choice of the customer. This bike here, it started off with a flat sheet of perforated metal, and I think it just started as the air cleaner was starting to cover, and then it turned into the whole bike. But it's 140 cubic inch, 6-speed, inverted front end, all the digital mirrors, so you've got all your readout, your speedo and everything in your mirrors, which anybody that rides a Harley Davidson knows they've got to look down at the speedo. It's great to be able to look up and have your face on the road and be able to see what's actually going on your bike with the speed and tacho and oils and things like that.
Now you almost got someone to take this off your hands, I believe.
Yes, it was actually used as a promotional tool for exhibit from Mr. X. I think he's from Pimp My Ride. He really wanted to take it back to the States. The problem that you have in Tasmania is that once you export something out of Tasmania, there's a fair cost on it to go to the States.
Well, obviously the bike being here, it means he didn't take it, but he left you something to remember him by.
Yes, he signed the headlight, and the bike was started up on stage and ridden off stage, and he was very, very impressed with the mechanical side of the bike and the fabrication of it, which they've never seen anything like it in the world. And the bike was actually invited to go to Sturgis last year to be in the World Championships of Motorcycle Building.